Good morning, good morning. Good morning, super malamig na Thursday. Super malamig na Thursday. It's 11:04 in Ontario, Canada. It's Tita here. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your world is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy. You are loving life. Yes. Malamig dito, super lamig. It's negative 11 right now. It's negative 11 plus the wind chill. It's negative 20 something. Rose, thank you for watching. Yes, super lamig na Thursday dito sa Ontario, Canada. Marjorie, thank you. Maraming salamat guys for tuning in kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope if you are in Canada, I hope you are bundling up. Super lamig. But anyhow, we're happy, we're healthy. The sky is clear now. Pauwi pa lang ako. I was teaching this morning. So, yes. Ano tayo? Oh, sis Marites! Grabe, ano? It's no day, but still I have to go out because nagturo ako this morning. So yes, pauwi pa lang ako, but it's good. The road is clear. So I'm grateful. Talagang ano tayo, keep safe. Thank you. Yes, hands free naman yan. So okay lang. So kahit na tawag nun, kahit na bumagyo, umulan, mag-snowman, we still show up. We still show up, talaga. Yes, so anyhow, shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat. Mapabago man kayo o mapaluma. Thank you. I appreciate you guys very much. And thank you for engaging into my post. Thank you sa mga sa mga likes, sa mga pag-share nyo. Thank you. Yeah, so anyhow, for those of you who are following me, talagang you guys know na meron akong online business that I am growing, of course, in social media platform. Facebook is my biggest platform, so kaya ako nagla-live because I wanted to share with you guys this amazing opportunity. And hindi lang yung nagsushow up kami without something for you guys, but I'm hoping that I could share something that can be of value to you. So every time na mag-live ako, it's always topic sa aking mga conversation with the people that are reaching out to me every single day. Yeah, so ano bang nilagay ko diyan? Yes, at work you are replaceable. But for your family, you are forever. Diba? You are forever. So are you doing something that you and your family can enjoy later? So kahit na while you are working full time, it's really talagang dapat na meron tayong ibang pinagkakaabalahan for us, for ourselves. For us, kaya kami tawag nun, for me, I'm building my business as a side hustle for now, but of course the goal is to retire early so I can be fully present for my family. But I'm glad I started my business because kahit ngayon pa lang is talagang nafe-feel ko na yung change. So yeah, so the reason I have this topic today because I was just talking to someone last night. Yeah, very sometimes I do have serious conversation talaga. And basically she liked what she saw in our webinar. Very skeptical, very hesitant to move forward because the next step after you watch the webinar is to pay the $149 and that will unlock kung ano yung talagang in and out of the business. So basically doon yung malalaman kung ano yung business model, yung compensation plan, yung products, kung paano kami kikita, paano ma-scale up yung business, options to start. So there are lots of things that can be unlocked by paying that $149, which is refundable naman siya after within the 30 days period. So basically, if you are really interested in in finding out if this business is for you or not, you won't hesitate to pay $149. No, you won't. What is $149? right? You go out with your family. If you are family of 349, it's not even enough for a good dinner for the three of you. No. It's not even. Yeah, and then yaan is wala ka nang makita diyan, di ba? Hindi na yan babalik sa iyo. So what if that $149 can change your life forever? Right? So change those what ifs. What if it's a scam? Is this a scam? And she literally like search my my profile on Facebook, and of course it says there that beware because this business is not registered. Of course, my business is not incorporated, so it's not like, you know, if you are going to search it on a like, you know, talagang in a, I don't know, portfolio or whatever, business portfolio, then hindi mo makita yan because it's not registered yet. Okay? There's the yet. It's not registered yet. However, the business that I am doing is 100% legitimate, 1,000% legitimate. We've been doing this business for this is the 10th year, and the affiliate company that we are partnered with is more than 51 years in the business. Oh my God. Are you nuts? Yeah, so I said to her, like, you know, I'm open to, because for me it's in her mindset talaga. Because she's very skeptical, but I said to her, you know, like, you know, I understand where you're coming from, because there are lots of things that are not real in internet. There are lots of like fraud, scams. There are lots of them. However, like, you have to trust your gut. You have to know that, like, you know, there are people, there are businesses out there, online business out there that are thriving for many years, and like, you know, so it's just so hard. But I'm not here. I said to her, I'm not here to explain something to you, because it's so hard to, like, you know, to talk to people who are close-minded. Okay? So I said, if you are open to new possibilities, yes, I am looking for people, though they are skeptical, though they are scared, but they know deep inside that there's something that are pushing them to look for this, because I have done that, right? Well, you just have to trust your gut. That's it. But here's the problem. If you don't trust yourself, then nobody else will trust you. Right? If you don't trust your intuition, then nobody else will trust you. So I said to her, no, I'm not here to explain to you. Okay? So you can come back to me if you are open to learn more. Otherwise, no. I'm not gonna waste my time. No, thank you. Thank you. No thanks. And yeah, so that's basically, I'm brutally honest, because I know I'm not doing something that will harm people. I am here to share a legitimate, 100% legitimate business. I am here to grow my business. I am not trying to get money from people. No thanks. And guess what? I said to her, if you're paying $149, I'm not getting anything from that. No, our business is high ticket. We don't earn like less than $100. No, in one transaction, we earn thousands. Sometimes, yes. Sometimes 3 figures, yes. Sometimes, but most of the time 4 figures. One transaction alone. So yeah, so I'm not wasting my time. I'm not wasting my energy. There are lots of people. There are tons of things that needing my attention. So no, No thanks. Yeah, so basically I was just trying to share this with you guys because I know once at some points you would probably pop into my business page. I give her my link for my personal page and my business page. So I'm not gonna, I said to her, I'm not gonna explain to you anything, but you can look, you can search, you can do your own research. Okay, and yeah, so that's what I said, and close conversation is close. But I say, of course, I always say, I'm not like, I always say, if you are open to learn, if you are open to, like, to possibilities, then you can come back to me. This is my business page, this is my personal page. Just search for me, message me. I will be more than happy to help you. But for now, I'm sorry, I can't, because your mind is so close. I have to step back, right? So I'm protecting myself from going into her negative energy, right? So no, I'm not gonna engage with that. But then I just thought, like, okay, i-share ko sa inyo because I'm doing 100% legitimate business here, and I am here to share this amazing opportunity because I know my business is legitimate. My products are medical grade. The earning potential is limitless. So it's up to you. If you're gonna be like close-minded, that's not my problem. But come back to me if your mind is open for possibilities. Yes, I can help you. We can help you. That's for sure. Right? But anyhow, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope na it makes sense. I hope that you get value for that. But basically, there are lots of possibilities that are open to us. Yes, we do have to use our common sense. We have to be cautious because, again, as I have mentioned earlier, there are lots of things in the internet that are not real. So you have to use your common sense. You have to trust your gut. You have to do your due diligence and like start from there, because not everyone will just jump up. I myself is included to that, right? I did not jump into the business right away. Right? I watched the webinar 3 times. I was sitting on the sideline for I watched the webinar for 3 times, but I was watching all these people that comes into my newsfeed. I was watching for a year. But then I knew that with my situation, I have to change something. So I said to myself, if these people are earning online like this, then why not? Why can't I? So that is when I decided. But when I decided to to go for it, I paid 149. It took me just few days, and I started right away because I already knew. Ryder, thank you for watching. I already knew. Because once I paid 149, I was Anna, thank you for watching. Wow, I mean, you guys, 149, and then I was invited into the private community. That is when I saw how people are earning online, and how their lives were have changed. And that was the deciding point. And that point I already knew, I'm not gonna back out. This is it. Because I knew if I'm not going to do something, if I am just going to watch, nothing will happen. Because change starts from us, guys. Nothing will change. There are lots of opportunities open for us, but again, we have to be open-minded. We have to open to new possibilities. We have to be open, because if our mind is closed, nobody can help us. Nobody can help us. Nothing. But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. And yeah, so while you are busy, don't wait for perfect time, because the perfect time is now. Yes, you can do your due diligence. Again, you can do your research, use your common sense, listen to your gut feeling, do all of those. But then when you find out that, because it's risk free, the $149 is refundable within the 30 days period. 30 days period is a very long time for you to think about it, right? It's a very long time for you. And yes, so anyhow, yeah, don't wait for perfect timing once you are sure, 100% sure that this is it. Whatever you're doing, when you're 100% sure, then do take action. That is where your success will go. Like, will start. Right? Because if you don't decide right away, then nothing. Para tayong si Juan Tamad, nanganganga na lang. Naghihintay na malaglag ang bayabas, pero naunahan ng ibon. Ayan, nawala ang opportunity. Di ba? The same concept, right? But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. Hindi na po ako magtatagal. Medyo masama ang dito doon sa Collingwood is okay. Look at that. I'm just gonna share this with you guys. A little bit, but I could still see the road, so I am grateful. So yes, so anyhow, I hope it makes sense, and again, if you guys would like to know more about this online business that I am growing here in social media platform, my website is in my business page. Feel free to sign up with your name and email address, and yes, our back office will pick up from there, send you the information that you need, send the follow-up emails to you. Yes, ganun kadali po once you set up your business. Yeah, so so feel free to do that. And again, after you have watched the webinar, reach out and message me. I will be more than happy to answer more questions and guide you from there. So anyhow, thank you again. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Enjoy the rest of your week. And be safe. Nasa kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. Take care. Ingat po. And God bless. Thank you. Maraming salamat again for watching. Thank you.